one thing I can tell you about this administration is that when it comes to employment-based immigration, they have like a 95% approval.
And initially, when Trump came, he said, "Okay, now it's pretty good because I can invest about $1 million and then I can, start my operation there." But he is from Pakistan, which is within the 75 countries, which were recently banned. Now, the point is that all these clients who have a tremendous record, they have no criminal history in their country or in the US, or they've traveled many countries. That is, very, very important for the government to do right now because, a lot of foreign, people are everywhere. They want to move to US because they believe there's a big American dream. They want to follow what's happening, how you can help them through this, because this is a very critical issue right now.
Yes, so the 75 country ban took us all by surprise. The government claims that these individuals or individuals from these countries are coming into the United States and they're on welfare. And I mean, the propaganda, I think it doesn't stop with this administration. I would say to someone, if they're interested in, especially in employment-based, the EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, EB1A, EB5, I would say continue your process. One thing I could tell you about this administration, and we do a lot of employment-based in our firm, one thing I can tell you about this administration is that when it comes to employment-based immigration, they have like a 95% approval. This administration really respects employment-based migration because it really helps to richen the pool in the United States. If I want to migrate on an EB1A, I would continue my process. And we've seen the bans in the past, the travel bans. This is not new. I've seen it such wide scale. We're talking about 75 countries. I would continue the process. So start your EB1 application because the only part that has slowed down is at the consulate. I imagine at some point there's going to be a workaround. Maybe there's waivers. Maybe there's going to be some of those lawsuits that you talked about with, attorneys like myself suing the government in federal court. There's some of that we're going to start seeing happening. So we're all going to see some things start to shake out. For those 75 countries, I would encourage you to please continue your process. Submit your application. When and if, and I think it's if and when, or when everything is or there will be some workarounds. There will be some alternatives.